Hello and welcome. Heading into the second day of March 2017. My name is Derek. Welcome. Silver chart for today. And previous level of resistance has not been found as support, at least as of yet. Markets can correct one of two ways, either through price or through time. And when we look at this week, the range 1827, 1854 has been a sideways correction every day above the 18 average of highs. So an interesting pattern, a little different within the same pattern. Of course, the same pattern is this trend line, and because resistance, which was found in here, which has been matching highs, means that there's a little more room now to the upside as the trend increases each day. The movement of such from the breakout of this band, 2 up days, which has now been followed with this sideways correction, and then just even within this little bit, we can't see it, but what occurred was something like a little head and shoulders pattern that just went back up to the highs. It's somewhere close within this area. Definitely, I was looking at it earlier before the breakout, thinking it looks like it might be a little bearish, but with low volatility like this, the trend remains to the upside. Now, as far as any type of large tops is concerned, I think the most probable scenario for any deep pullback is if it comes first with a major break of this trend line, meaning a move up here and then it tops and then it starts to go lower. Otherwise, if the market corrects naturally by going sideways then lower or just standard down moves, I'm going to think the odds of the retracements are going to be just a correction, and it's probably going to find support, I would think, at the 38.2% in the area of such from this low to this high. And on the big break, of course, if there is one above here, it's cautious for both sides because, yes, it could be the failed move, but it could be the early move that leads to 25 as well. So it's the either or scenario as I would be playing it through, of course, on the situation of such. As far as this range is concerned, I'm going to do Fibonacci calculations, and within my blog, Todd was asking about this software, and if anyone wants to have it, you can email me, and this is what the email address is, Endless Mountain, the number 2008, and it's at yahoo.ca. And within this, you put 2 different numbers in. It doesn't matter what you put in first between the high and the low, but you got to put numbers in. If you put, and positive numbers. If you put words or negative numbers in, you will crash the program. And it doesn't matter, again, if it's high or low first. But the range is such. So what I'll do is I'll put the 2 numbers in, and I have up targets of 1871 and 1811, which means that on the break, I'm going to be looking for first resistance at 1871 in here, and first support on the break roughly at around here, which don't be surprised if that works out because oftentimes it usually does. So it's one of those wait and see sort of deals. But again, the trend remains grinding slowly but surely to the upside at this rate of ascent. It'll be $50 in a little over a year. But this trend will die at some point, of course, either to the break above or some sort of sideways or down correction. Take care.